In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Binance Spot trading pair link that you can easily share with your friends. Whether you're looking to collaborate on trading strategies or simply want to show someone a particular market, sharing a trading pair link is a great way to go about it. Let's dive into the steps. First, you need to head over to the Binance website. If you're not familiar with Binance, it's a major cryptocurrency exchange platform where you can trade not only Bitcoin, but also a plethora of altcoins such as Ethereum and many others. Once you're on the site, make sure you're logged into your account for the best functionality. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Markets section. You can generally find this option on the top navigation bar. Clicking Markets gives you a comprehensive view of all the available trading pairs. This is where Binance lists its vast array of trading options, from popular choices like BTC, USDT, to less-known altcoin pairs. Take a moment to explore here if you're curious. Now that you're in the Markets section, the next step is selecting the trading pair you're interested in. For illustrative purposes, click on Bitcoin or BTC. You will see a list of BTC-related pairs such as BTC USDT. Choose this or any other pair you're interested in. It's helpful to note that by selecting a specific trading pair, you will be redirected to a page showing detailed information on the price, charts, market depth, and other trading data. Once you're on the page of your chosen trading pair, your next move is to look for the Share button. This is typically located near the top area of the page, perhaps near the chart or main statistics. Clicking on Share is crucial as it will enable you to generate a link or execute a direct share to various platforms. After clicking Share, you'll be given several options. Here, you'll want to either copy the link directly to your clipboard or choose from the available sharing methods. Binance conveniently provides options to share via popular apps like Telegram and WhatsApp if you're already connected to these on your device. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully copied a Binance Spot trading pair link. Sharing this link ensures your friends can easily access the same market you're viewing, engaging in discussions or actions together seamlessly. It's a straightforward process, but unlocks a world of collaborative possibilities. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Keep this method in mind next time you and your friends want to share trading insights or opportunities on Binance.